I'm a regular guy, not some celebrity endorser. You see, instead of paying for some big-name spokesperson to hype the same old run-of-the-mill account, Kasasa Checking gives that money directly back to you in the form of cash rewards. In fact, you just bought me this cup of coffee. See how that works? Amazing! Free checking, cash rewards. Take back banking with Kasasa.
Visit First Central Credit Union today. FirstCentralCU.com.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome into the Tuesday morning edition of KOXE.com weather. I'm Randy Turner with you, and the first thing you'll notice when you step outside this morning is the fact that the temperature is 61 degrees. That's recorded at the Brownwood Regional Airport. We have cloudy skies this morning. Something else you'll notice, it's windy. Southeast wind at 15, and recently a 25-mile-per-hour wind gust out at the airport. So that's the kind of morning we're dealing with. Mild for this time of year and windy, the barometer falling, and the wind chill coming in at 59 degrees. Here downtown at KOXE, KBWD, 62 degrees. That's the same for Brady. That's the same for Coleman, 60 in Cisco. It's 59 in Stephenville. Comanche coming in at 61. Very mild. All right, so we're starting to see now some of the winter storm watches and special weather statements here. Still a special weather statement for us, meaning that come Thursday we may be dealing with some snow and sleet here in the Brown County area. That's not until Thursday, but you know, the storm takes shape to our west, and so that's the winter storm watch now in effect. Big Spring, Midland, Odessa. If you have travel plans out there Wednesday or Thursday, note that you're probably going to have some travel problems. So here are the weather headlines, short and sweet. Rain and thunderstorms in the forecast for today, tonight, and tomorrow. Snow and sleet in the forecast for Thursday. Sunshine but cool on Friday. So we have the next 2 days of rain, then the potential for wintry weather, and then back into sunshine to welcome the new year. Here is a look at what's happening, and here comes our first system, upper level low, out here over the southwestern United States, and the snow is flying in Colorado and Nebraska and Kansas, back up into South Dakota. This is system number 1. This is the one that gives us a chance for rain over the next 2 days. Now the second system is a bit of energy that's going to come diving right down in behind the first one, and it's the second one that gives us a chance of snow as we get into Thursday. Here's what we have going on this morning. Not too much in the way of rainfall, just a lot of clouds moving over the area, and that's how it's going to be, a mostly cloudy kind of day. I'll be back with a look at the forecast models and maybe how much snow could we see in this area. That'll be coming up right after a quick break.
Texas Bank is a vital part of our community. Without Texas Bank, our schools, kids, family, and our economies wouldn't enjoy the quality of life that Brownwood has to offer. Texas Bank is more than free checking and low interest rates. It's scholarships, volunteerism, and charitable contributions that make our community what it is. That is why I choose Texas Bank. Proven, local, strong.
All right, welcome back. Here's a look at the next 12 hours. A little bit of rain, slight chance for mostly light rain today. Then we go out to 24 hours from now. Still some shower activity here over the Brownwood, Central Texas area. Low pressure, though, taking shape in West Texas. That gets us into the day on Wednesday. And Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, the low is here closer to us. Here's our cold front on top of us. So it's tomorrow that we have the best chance of rain and thunderstorms. Then we get into the time period where we have 48 hours from now, and notice the heavy rain just to the east of us by then. This takes us into Thursday. Here comes that second batch of energy, the snow coming out of Mexico into West Texas, and that heads into our direction as we get into Thursday. All right, forecast models today. How much rain activity do I expect? Well, this is a high resolution model, and you see a few little green specks showing up here around the KOXE listening area, so not much today in terms of rain during the day. How much is it going to snow? That's the big question, and this is just one of the forecast estimates. This is Thursday that we're looking at here, and as you can see, it does paint a little bit of snow over the Brownwood area, and the darker green's a little heavier, and you get out here, the heaviest snow is actually projected in southwest Texas in that area of yellow. So potential snow amounts, again, Still 2 days away. Don't get too excited, but here's what the models have to say about it. Brownwood, less than an inch of snow. Maybe northern Brown County, a little more than an inch. Coleman County, 2.5 inches. The big snow areas out here by Big Lake, maybe 7 inches of snow out that way. Lighter to the east, lighter to the south, ½ inch. But it's nice to see some snow in the forecast for all you winter weather lovers out there. 66 for today. 30% chance of showers. The wind southeast going to be gusty. Should put 15 to 25 on there. For tonight, about 50, still pretty mild. A 40% chance of rain and thunderstorms. Southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tomorrow, now notice this, 45 for high temperature. Cold front coming in tomorrow. 90% chance of rain and thunderstorms and a north wind of 20 to 30 miles an hour. So it is going to be very, very cold tomorrow. Here's our 7-day forecast. There you see tomorrow's 45 and a good chance of rain. We're going to call it snow and sleet and rain on Thursday with a high of 32 and a low of 28. That's an 80% chance. Then we're back into sunshine with a few clouds on Friday, high 43. Warming trend, though, taking us into the 60s by the end of the weekend and the first part of next week. That's how the weather looks at this time. Next update coming up in midday today here on KOXC.com and the KOXC app.